Join me in making tostones, a classic Puerto Rican snack made with twice fried green plantains. We're going to start by peeling and chopping our plantains. My favorite strategy for peeling your plantains is to cut off each end first, then slice just barely into the skin and peel gently until all of the peel is off. From there, you're going to go ahead and slice your plantains into about 1-inch thick pieces. Then we'll go ahead and heat our oil in a heavy bottom skillet and fry your plantain slices, making sure not to overcrowd the pan. We're going to fry them for about 10 minutes, flipping to make sure they get nice and golden brown on all sides. Once you've achieved that, go ahead and remove them from the oil and let them dry on a paper towel lined plate. From there, it's time to smash your plantains. You can buy a fancy device, but I like to just use 2 evenly sized plates. Then we're going to add some lime juice, salt, and adobo seasoning to a giant bowl of water, which we're going to toss our smashed plantains into. And this step is really nice. It adds a lot of crispness on that second fry. It is important after you've soaked them for a few minutes to dry again on a fresh paper towel, just to make sure there's not too much water being added to your oil. Pat them dry and add them back into your hot oil for their second fry. Fry them again for about 5 minutes, again flipping just to make sure they cook evenly, and your tostones are done when they look like this. Lay them again to dry on a paper towel lined plate and serve with truly whatever kind of sauce you like. I enjoy using salsa or hot sauce, but today I'm using this cilantro lime sauce I made with some yogurt. You can top your tostones with some flaky salt, some more cilantro, and enjoy.